Hello all, welcome to Freshers World YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about Odisha Subordinate Staff Selection Commission notification. So for this notification, candidates with bachelor degree from any discipline are all eligible for this notification, but he or she should know Odia. So coming to the important dates, online registration and re-registration starting date is 24/6/2021 and end date is 23/7/2021. And online payment fee dates are also same, which is 24/6/2021 is the starting date and 23/7/2021 is the end date. So the submission of online application date starting date is 24th June 2021 and the end date is 30/7/2021. And the number of posts for this notification is 586. So now let's talk about the pay scale. It is 35,400 and the post is revenue inspector and it's a contractual job role, and pay matrix level is 9 and cell 1, and consolidated monthly remuneration is 16,880 rupees. So now let's talk about the eligibility criteria. So coming to the age limit, upper age limit is 32 and lower age limit is 20 years as on 1st January 2021. And coming to the relaxation, upper age limit is relaxable by 5 years for the candidates belonging to SC, ST, SCBC, women, ex-serviceman category, and up to 5 years in case of candidates having actual work experience in settlement or consultation. So as I said earlier, candidates must have passed a bachelor degree examination in any discipline or equivalent from a recognized university having knowledge in computer application as on the last date of submission of online application. And a clear important thing, candidate must be able to speak, read and write Odia. So now let's talk about the examination fee. All applicants other than SC, ST, persons with disabilities category have to pay examination fee of rupees 100 between 24/6/2021 to 23/7/2021, and the application process is completely online, which you can do from www.osssc.gov.in. So I'll be keeping this link in the description below, so don't worry. So now let's talk about the prerequisites for registration. So this means like what and all documents or what are the things you need for online application. First thing is like application fee. You have to pay 100 rupees if you're not from SC, ST or person with disability. And the second thing is, as it is online payment mode, you need access for debit card or net banking facility. So when you're scanning your signature or photograph, it should be from 20 KB to 50 KB. And the passport size photograph and signature should be in JPG or JPG or PNG format. So there is a clear note over here, shall keep the certificates and mark sheets ready for filling in the details of education qualifications during online application. And you may need to carry certificates and mark sheets during the verification process. And during the application process, keep a valid email ID and mobile number, because once if you submit your valid email ID and phone number, entire verification process will be done, or the process of reaching you out will be done only through this process. Either they will contact you in email ID or they will send you an SMS to the provided mobile number. So coming to the place and date of written examination, it will held in all districts of Orissa and mostly it will happen on September 2021. And now let's talk about the plan of examination and what will be the subjects of written test. So the written test will carry of 400 marks and it is having paper 1 and paper 2. Paper 1 is having part A and part B. Paper 1 is having general awareness 50 questions 100 marks, and paper B is having mathematics 50 questions and 100 marks. So the paper 1 will be given the duration of 2 hours. And now let's talk about the paper 2. It is having part A, part B and part C. Part A will be having general English and part B will be having computer test, MS Windows, MS Office, MS Word, MS PowerPoint and MS Excel. General English will be having 50 questions and 100 marks, and part B will be having 25 questions and 50 marks, and part C, which is language test, which is Odia, 25 questions and 50 marks. So total 200 questions, 400 marks and 4 hours. So there is also a negative marking. So for each wrong answer, there will be deduction of 1/4 mark. So all the best guys, I'll be keeping the online registration link in the description below. Just go there and apply right away, as the registration process have already started. So all the best guys, we are coming up with much more interesting videos for you. Do like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.